Before you start watching this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Then tapping the bell icon button so you will be first to know when we post new videos. If you have trouble sleeping, or if you wake up in the middle of the night, you are in the right place. These sleeping problems can occur night after night, and for sure is not good for you, because, even if you believe it or not, a good sleep is necessary for everyone. If you truly want to get rid of this sleeping problem, here is a very easy recipe. What you need: 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of raw honey, 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt. How to prepare it? First option, you have to mix the coconut oil, raw honey and the sea salt in a bowl. After you mix all the ingredients well, take the mixture with a spoon and just swallow it. You can drink some water if you need. The second option, you just have to take the raw honey and the coconut oil separately. After you take them, put some sea salt in a glass of water and drink it. If you still wake up in the middle of the night, do not worry, just take the mixture again and you will fall asleep in less than an hour. Now, you wonder why this mixture works. The answer is right there. Coconut oil gives energy to your body through the night. It also prevents increasing the blood sugar, which leads to sleeping problems. Raw honey helps you to sleep better by offering an adequate amount of storage of liver glycogen in the brain. Sea salt helps you to get rid of the stress hormones. The salt also helps the production of energy. A good amount of sodium in the blood reduces the drain of cortisol and adrenaline. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.